Hello everyone, today I want to do a review for LumiSpa cleanser treatment. I was waiting for a while. This is Gadget and treatment, so finally I got it and today I want to try. So what it is, it's a small gadget which you can use twice a day, morning or the evening, and it's deeply clean your skin, reduce wrinkles, does massaging, lifting, and after that your skin looks smoother and radiant. So this, as you can see, blue one, it's a silicone pad, so you can take it off and you can wash it. So then when we're going to use it, you just get it back on a device. Also we get this treatment, it's kind of a cream, so you can get for all type of your skin. It depends what your type of your skin. Mine is normal, and you just apply. So first wash your face, just moisture. I've got this moisture mask and apply it for my skin and neck. Then just a little bit apply on the head treatment, and we just put a little bit on forehead, cheeks, and a whole face. And then you will see since apply the whole face, and then alright, and now just press this button. Okay, let's work it out, and just gently move, starting from your neck, chin, and you will see it's like kind of vibrating, it's massaging. You see? And then down cheeks. Slowly on the nose. Forehead. Oh my gosh, it's so relaxing. I feel like so good massage. So you can stop somewhere where you can feel a tension. For example, mostly women has the tension here. So if you have any wrinkles, reducing your wrinkles, and as I said, it's lift as well. Around your nose. Here we go, and it's done. Okay, let's have a look. Okay guys, as you can see, it's kind of, a little bit dirty. So yeah, it just only take probably 3 minutes, seconds. Yeah. So then we just clean wash it, and you can apply any cream. Oh my gosh guys, I washed my face after the treatment and now my skin feels cleaner, smoother and more vibrant, even better than before. I'm so happy with this treatment, to be honest. So if you're looking for something, deeper cleanser, this device is for you, and it's so convenient to use. You can use in the shower, nothing will be happen. So it's just so amazing. So I feel my skin, breathing. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this device and this treatment. Let me know, comment on my video, and what do you think about this video, and if you're using any other treatments at home. I would love to hear your tips and advice, and if you like my video, subscribe to my channel.